She keeps coughing every night. I thought it was just a cold. I cleaned everything, I changed her sheets, I even bought an air purifier, but nothing worked. No dust, no pests. Then why is she still sick?
Her symptoms aren't from a virus. Have you checked your home's air quality?
Wait, could it be the air? Too toxic gas in her room? The furniture, the paint, the mold, they're poisoning her. I called Pico X Health and they treated everything. No more mold, no more toxic air. Now she sleeps without coughing. Finally, she can sleep well.